Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the full process from BIM model to fabrication shop drawing. We begin with a federated BIM model that integrates HVAC ducts, plumbing pipes, electrical cable trays, sprinkler systems, and structural elements into one coordinated 3D environment. Engineers then perform clash detection, identifying and resolving conflicts between systems to ensure smooth coordination before fabrication. Once approved, the BIM model is refined with detailed fabrication-level elements, including duct fittings, pipe supports, valves, hangers, and spool segmentation, all accurately dimensioned and annotated. Next, this detailed model transitions into precise fabrication shop drawings, featuring HVAC layouts, piping spools, sections, elevations, tagging systems, and material schedules generated directly from the BIM data. Finally, fabrication and prefabrication workflows come to life with CNC-ready outputs, workshop manufacturing, and on-site installation coordination using digital and printed drawings. Better coordination creates accurate fabrication drawings, streamlining construction and installation for engineers, contractors, and fabricators alike.